Some projects are loud. They have big shapes, dramatic details, or unusual designs. This one isn't like that. It's just a flower stand. Simple enough that most people probably wouldn't think about it twice. But I've learned that simple projects often ask for the most patience. There isn't much to hide behind. Every line has to feel balanced. Every curve has to look natural. If one part feels slightly off, the whole piece feels different. So instead of working faster, I slow down. I stop. I look. Then I make the next cut. People sometimes imagine woodworking is all about power tools and sharp chisels. Those things matter. But most of the work happens before the cut. It's measuring, checking, thinking, changing my mind. Sometimes I spend more time looking at the wood than actually cutting it. And that's perfectly normal. Wood has its own character. No two pieces are ever exactly the same. The grain decides how the light moves across the surface. My job is simply to bring that out without forcing it. When the sanding begins, everything changes. The rough marks slowly disappear. The surface becomes softer. The shape becomes clearer. That's usually my favorite part. Not because the work is almost finished, but because that's when I can finally see what the piece wanted to become. In the end, it's still just a flower stand. Nothing complicated. But if it can quietly hold a vase for many years, then I think it has done its job. And maybe that's enough.